Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your followers list or who you're following on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select your profile icon in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Account, you want to select Privacy. Underneath discoverability, private account, you would have to turn this on in order to hide that. So if a private account, only users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Please keep in mind this will have further reaching effects, especially if you're sharing videos on TikTok. But if you want to private your followers list, you would have to have the private account feature turned on. Just keep that in mind. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.